Jiu-Jitsu is a fastest growing martial art in all over Asia. Every month in every different corner of Asia, we have a different learning programs for the referees as well as for the coaches, even for the athletes. Recently, in the first week of May, we had conducted a seminar and many referees has upgraded their license and many new referee has achieved their new licenses. And next month, again, we have a referee training seminar in Thailand. So I can say that JJU has came up with many nice educational projects for everybody. So it's our main duty to come forward and to learn this sport and join our Jiu-Jitsu family. As we all know that Jiu-Jitsu is a part of upcoming national games, and soon we have a South Asian Championship in India in the month of September. And I had requested Indian Federation to start Jiu-Jitsu activity program here in Goa. We already started. Recently we had a seminar in Don Bosco College, Panjim, and we are going to start with many activities in Goa also. So I'll try my level best to prepare official as well as coach, and the most important part, the pillar, is athletes. I'll try to train few athletes and coaches to learn this sport and create our strong Goa team for the upcoming national games. I have been getting a continuous support from my family. As I can say, before marriage, my mother, she was always there behind me, and she gave me a continuous support. As when I was in class 8th, I mean, from the childhood I started with my judo journey. I was a judo player, and now after marriage, now I have a 4 years of kid, and I have so much of responsibility for my house, for my professional work. So I can say that now in current phase of my life, my in-laws are my full support. I mean, my husband, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, they are continuously pushing me to just grow, learn, and achieve. With the Jiu-Jitsu Asian Union, almost around 44 countries are affiliated and actively taking part in Jiu-Jitsu. So as a head referee, it's a very challenging responsibility. I can say that I have to take care of Asian referees. I have to help them to learn and grow themselves as a referee. So my main responsibility will be to conduct a referee education program, seminar, workshop, and training for the young referees. So I mean, it's a very big opportunity for me to stand as an Indian and to serve myself for my country, and now I have to serve myself for my Asia also. Shikha Pathak, I'm a JJIF international referee and Joint Secretary of Jiu-Jitsu Association of India. I'm very happy and glad to share this news with all of you that recently I have been appointed as a head referee of fighting Jiu-Jitsu discipline by Jiu-Jitsu Asian Union. As we know that Jiu-Jitsu Asian Union is a member of Olympic Council of Asia, and it's recognized by the Jiu-Jitsu International Federation. So as we know that almost around 44 countries from all around Asia is actively affiliated with the JJU. This achievement, I mean, I cannot share into my words because I'm involved in Jiu-Jitsu from last 6 years. I think on the basis of my performance, my achievements, and my capabilities, JJU has given me this responsibility, and I'll try my level best to serve myself as an educator. I'll try to help young new referees to learn, to grow, and to work together and to join our referee family.